Just casting out, doing the two-hand strip. That's how I got those last 2 silvers. Start casting right there, dude. I would not come any closer. Right there. Oh, what do we got? Silver. Two-hand strip.
That's a good one too.
Come on. Oh. Come on. These are the most amazing fish. Gosh, I just love these fish.
Get him out of the anchor. Anchor, 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 anchor.
You mean motor?
Whatever, yeah,
All right, here we go. Here we go. Right here.
yeah, I agree.
Oh, hang on. He's gonna pop. He's gonna pop if I turn him anymore. Fish. Look at this fish. So awesome. All right, here we go. There we go. Nice job. Nice job. Let's see how big he is.
That's a good one, Red.
That is a big fish. Hold that sucker up. Oh, look at that beauty.
That's a good
Beautiful fish. Whoa.